Hey everyone, Crash and Crash Customs, Lake Havasu, Arizona, and we have 1968 Buick Riviera, black on black. It's not your average Riviera though. Look at the side profile. What? Lowrider? Oh yeah, you know I dig that. Maybe 10 years ago, John Black brought this to us and did a few odds and ends, did some blends, doing some minor paint repair. Big thing was I shaved the door handles on it. Like I said, it was a finished car, so man, how can you not like shaved door handles? That came out super nice, and obviously did some blends on the door when I shaved the door handles. We did some air ride work on it and rearranged his trunk setup, added LEDs. He got the 5th hater wheel to match the other 4 on the outside, chrome air tank and compressors. Just clean and simple, nice and easy. Matches the rest of the car perfectly, because it pretty much looks like a, you know, a resto lowrider, resto mod, resto lowrider. Did I just make up a term? I don't know, probably not. We'll just go with super clean lowrider. And it is super clean. Black on black, like I said. Just nice stock looking interior, but with bucket seats, swivel bucket seats. This time around, he had us do some minor, very minor brake work on it. We sorted out some bad vacuum lines under the dash and at the cowl in the engine bay to make the hideaway headlights work. That's all vacuum operated. And let's see, what else did we do? Part of the minor brake work was a booster, new booster, and then a wheel cylinder on the passenger rear. Nothing major. He had a tail light socket that needed to be replaced. Fairly easy stuff. But he has sold the vehicle. It's leaving Havasu, going to California. New owners, he had it a long time. Time to pass the torch. I will be pulling this outside because that black, I know it's black. Black is black, right? Nah, black isn't black. Looks good in here. It'll look good outside too. 14-inch wire wheels, deep dish with the Rivi logo in the center. I like that. Got the old school tires on it. Lowrider tires. Let's do it. Let's pull it outside. Pretty cool feature, hideaway headlights. They're a little finicky when vacuum lines go bad, but that's one of the things we had to sort out. Low. Laid out. Shiny black paint. Shiny chrome. Wires. With the Rivi logo. Oh, yeah. If you didn't know, you know now. I like them low. I don't care if they're low lowriders, low muscle cars, low street rods, low customs, low trucks. Hammer them all on the ground. Please. Look at those lines. That's a sexy ride. Sexy ride. Super smooth with no door handles. I would have shaved the mirror on the other side too. What do you need side mirrors for? Turn your head if you need to look. Pretty cool extra feature. Where's the switch box? Where's the switch box for the air ride? Let me see here. What? You see this? He's got window crank and power windows. Haha. Power windows are the switches for the air ride. That is really cool. Totally hidden. Totally hidden. Got the Rivi and the side marker lights. That's stock. Yeah. Hammered status right there. What do you guys think? You like them low? You like them as lowriders? You like them modified? Maybe pro touring? Or what do we got over here? You like them stock? This is a legit GS 1700 made dual quad car, original owner. I'll do a video on that later after I tweak it a little. But back to this one. Super clean. Super clean. All right, I'm getting redundant. I mean, I totally dig this car. This is one of those cars that I could just park my chair, lawn chair right here and just look, soak it all in, you know what I mean? I got another question for you guys. I know the hardcore lowrider guys will answer it a certain way, but can a lowrider have bags? Does it got to be juiced? Lowrider's got to have wire wheels. Juice and wires, air and wires, as long as it's low. I don't know. You guys tell me. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll keep bringing you weekly content.
We really appreciate you watching this Lowrider Riviera video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I just love them sitting long and low. What about you?